single stage, double stage, with 5 screws. You can adjust weight in first stage, second stage. You can make it light, you can make it only one, but the top straight pull model, which is got now, is not exactly the same figure as this one. It's a biathlon system, straight pull, yeah. The most reliable system. There's no issues loading at all. Okay, so this is ANSCHÜTZ 1782 APR. It comes in 6mm, 6.5 and 308, and the gun was designed for PRS style shooting. The action is really smooth. This critical gold one is tin coated. It's really nice and smooth action. The trigger on it is adjustable as a single stage, double stage, and just to show, for PRS style shooting, it's the position of your hand there, and you just go really quickly.
It's so lovely. Thank you.
Yeah.
Cool.